Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Time for another quick restaurant review, and this is going to just be a quick introduction because I think everything we had to say is on the videos that come after this. It's Cotton Patch Cafe in Spring, Texas. This is a pretty large chain. There's quite a few of these in Texas and Oklahoma. And if you want to go for a nice home cooking, all the fixins, chicken fried steak, meatloaf, things like that, this is the place to go. There's a lot of deep fried food, which we don't go to a lot, but this was a very nice place. I've been there many times when I lived up towards Dallas. We had a Cotton Patch Cafe, and that's like 20 years ago. And they've branched out quite a bit now. So if you really want some good home cooking, chicken fried steak, chicken fried chicken, it's worth checking this place out. So we'll let the video speak for itself, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you. We're having dinner at the Cotton Patch Cafe in Spring, Texas. I had been to one of these, well, when I lived up in Dallas, like 20 something years ago, I think. And it may have been one of the first ones, and we really enjoyed it. And the menu looks like it's expanded a lot. They have chicken fried bacon, which we're not getting, but I'm getting the fried green tomatoes, and chicken fried chicken. Catherine's getting the bacon cheeseburger.
I think his will be very good.
Yeah, and the chicken soup should be pretty good. This is a home country cooking kind of place. It's a kind of a chain. There's quite a bit of them, but you don't really hear too much about them. But I know the chicken fried steak or the chicken fried chicken salads are also very good.
Yeah.
There's one of these in Stephenville where my older daughter lives, and I ate there one time.
We will try this time.
So this is new in spring. It's been open for a few months.
Yeah.
So looking forward to the fried green tomatoes. So we got our appetizer, our green fried tomatoes. Let's take a look at it. Get four to an order, and some dipping sauce. They look really good.
Let me try.
Good?
Yeah, good.
I want to use some of the dipping sauce. Looks like a ranch dip. Really good. Nice thick sliced tomatoes. It's kind of in like a chicken fried steak batter. Way different how I cook them, but really nice and crispy and crunchy. I like them.
Yeah.
Catherine's chicken tortilla soup. Looks really good. You got some lime and avocado and cheese to put in it.
Want me to try? I like this. Yeah, very
Nice and fresh. How about compared to the barn in Ohio?
Barn is good.
Nothing beats the barn in Smithville, Ohio.
Yeah.
All right. So far, it looks like it's really good. The fried green tomatoes was like $4.99 and $2.69 for the soup. So the prices are pretty reasonable. You know, being here is like coming home. Don't you think?
Yeah.
That's what the sign says up there anyway.
nice. They do have drinks here too. So if you wanted to get a mixed drink or a beer or wine, it's nice. I mean, it's new. Here's my fried chicken. Pretty good, thick portion. Macaroni and cheese looks great. Squash casserole. Catherine's cheeseburger. Open that. Pick it up. Oh, that looks good. And sweet potato fries.
Oh, I love it.
She can hardly get it in her mouth. Good. I'll try my squash casserole. I usually love it.
Yeah, real good. I love mac and. They also have like full course meals. What's that, grilled macaroni and cheese bowls, and it looks fantastic. Yeah, I love macaroni and cheese. Squash casserole. A little bit of sweetness in there. It's good. Now, let's try the fried chicken. A little bit of gravy. Very crispy, crunchy. Remember one of the first places we went to, that JW Steakhouse? And I had that big chicken fried steak. It wasn't crispy at all. And this is the way fried chicken is supposed to be cooked. Nice and crispy. All right, let's dig in.